You gotta pack it in there. Yep, get it good. A little bit over on that edge. There you go. That's it. When I make it, I use a good 4.5 teaspoons.
Well, when Castro came,
how many was that?
He invited my mom's family. My grandpa.
That's it. That's 4.5.
His sisters.
It starts to come up the top. Then I'll close the lid and I'll take and fill this up almost 2 times with the first bit of coffee because it's the strongest. And that's what I'll mix into this and get a nice cream that you can actually pour, but it's very thick. And that's what's going to make your foam on top of the coffee. They call it espumita. Make sure you use that carnation. Get the milk. Don't get the fat-free stuff. You got to get the good stuff. All right. So you can make sure you shake that well. It even tells you on the lid. Put this in here. See how? Oh yeah. So then what you want to do? You want to get that first bit.
And I suppose the whole thing on dictator like that, if you suppress the people,
There's one.
they're not going to have enough.
And there's 2. Put that back on or let that finish. Then what you want to do is you want to stir this up. I'm just gonna get it. As a child, she drank her Mima. Used to make this for her. See how it gets nice and creamy? That's the consistency you want right there.
Baby food right there.
Oh yeah. But if you were to, but this is what's gonna give you the foam on top and the sweet. There you go. That's pretty good right there.
They actually picked up a little Cuban guy at the airport, and they.
If you put too much coffee in, it gets runny. If not enough, it's too thick.
Okay.
That's what you want right there. So here she comes. Heat this up for about 30 seconds. Which we're not going to do just yet because we want to make sure it's ready. She could tell it was ready.
Paradise. That was where people went. Right. It was where people went to make the issue.
It's pretty full right now, so as soon as I start tipping it, it's gonna come out. That's pretty good.
So Dave, do we get to sample?
You betcha.
I've been waiting for this.
It's already foaming up and I haven't even stirred it yet. Oh yeah. And then, just put my spoon in here for now. Then I just pour it back and forth to mix it up with the evaporated milk. But I wanted something big enough, you know, like this glass, so that I can contain it all.
He's a pretty big boy too, isn't he?
He was walking in there, yeah.
And that'll be enough, right there.
Yeah, you get like to get scratched on your head.
Put that back in there.
He does. Such a good boy, huh? Yeah.
His whiskers are gray now, aren't they?
Yeah.
When I first came in,
And there you go.
I had the same.
That's it.
Yeah.